As the radiant glow of the sun graces the curvature of our planet, we're reminded of the ancient art of stargazing and the profound significance bestowed upon the celestial spheres. Once regarded as wanderers, these celestial objects were later personified as the gods Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, Mercury, the sun god, and moon god, as well as the goddess Venus. Since the dawn of humanity, we've gazed up at the heavens in awe, assigning divine status to the sun, moon, planets, and constellations that adorn the night sky. These celestial bodies have guided our journeys, sparked our imaginations, and inspired our deepest mysteries. Today, we recognize these celestial wanderers for what they truly are: planets, worlds in their own right, each with its own unique characteristics and mysteries waiting to be unveiled. Their significance extends far beyond the boundaries of our earthly realm, offering insights into the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. While the exploration of astrotheology delves into the symbolic and spiritual interpretations of these celestial bodies, our focus today lies in the realms of planetary science and computer science. Through the lens of Python, we embark on a journey to unravel the scientific wonders of our solar system and harness the power of technology to chart its celestial dance. And now, armed with the power of Python, we embark on a journey to explore the wonders of the cosmos. In today's tutorial, we'll use Python to chart the planets of our solar system, comparing their size, mass, and distance from the radiant sun. Behold the majesty of the solar system, a vast expanse of celestial bodies orbiting a brilliant star. With each planet a world unto itself, we'll navigate the intricacies of their orbits and delve into the mysteries of their compositions. Unlike the traditional solar model, this simulation presents a dynamic portrayal of our celestial ballet. With a non-stationary sun orbiting the center of the Milky Way galaxy, and the planets, asteroids, and other celestial objects entrapped by the sun's immense gravitational field, we witness the true complexity of our cosmic dance. This forward motion on the solar system creates a mesmerizing spiraling effect, mirroring the actual movement of the planets through space. It's a captivating glimpse into the intricate workings of the cosmos. And here, amidst this digital cosmos, we find inspiration for our journey. In today's tutorial, we'll harness the power of Python to analyze and compare various aspects of the planets in our solar system. And with the aid of an invaluable Python library called matplotlib, we'll transform our findings into easy-to-read graphs, unlocking the secrets of our celestial neighbors. But let us not forget the grandeur of our cosmic neighborhood. Even as we chart the planets, let us remember that our solar system is but a speck in the boundless expanse of the universe. Greetings, fellow cosmic explorers. I'm Johnny Demonic, and welcome back to Space Science Tech. In our previous tutorial, we ventured into the realm of Python, the versatile programming language that unlocks the mysteries of computation. Today, we continue our journey of discovery, melding the worlds of planetary science and computer science with the aid of Python. Let's dive into the vastness of the solar system, armed with Python as our tool of choice, ready to unravel its secrets and unlock its wonders. Today, as we embark on our journey through the cosmos, we'll be running Python in a shell terminal on our virtual Kali Linux machine, which we meticulously set up in our previous tutorials. This powerful combination of Python and Kali Linux will serve as our gateway to the mysteries of the solar system. But that's not all. In this tutorial, we'll also be delving into the capabilities of ChatGPT, a cutting-edge AI language model. We'll explore how ChatGPT can assist us in unraveling the complexities of our celestial neighborhood, helping us analyze data, generate insights, and even write Python code to aid our exploration. So, buckle up and prepare to embark on an exhilarating voyage of discovery. Together, armed with Python, Kali Linux, and the remarkable powers of ChatGPT, we'll unlock the secrets of the solar system and chart a course towards new frontiers of knowledge. Now, let's shed some light on our trusty companion for this voyage, ChatGPT. Created by OpenAI, ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model that harnesses the power of deep learning to understand and generate human-like text. This marvel of artificial intelligence was birthed in 2020, standing on the shoulders of decades of research and innovation in the field of natural language processing. Its architecture is built upon the transformer model, which allows it to process and generate text with remarkable fluency and coherence. But how does ChatGPT work, you might ask? Well, it's quite simple yet incredibly sophisticated. By ingesting vast amounts of text data from the internet, books, articles, and more, ChatGPT learns the intricate patterns and structures of human language. It then uses this knowledge to generate responses that are contextually relevant and grammatically correct. In our journey today, we'll leverage the capabilities of ChatGPT as a research and programming assistant. Whether we're exploring the depths of space or delving into the intricacies of Python programming, ChatGPT will be by our side, ready to provide insights, assistance, and perhaps even a touch of cosmic wisdom along the way. Now, let's put ChatGPT to the test. We'll start by logging into ChatGPT 3.5, which, by the way, is freely accessible at the time of this recording. Once logged in, we'll ask it to provide us with a list of all the planets in our solar system, along with a few key details we wish to evaluate, such as diameter, mass, eccentricity, and distance from the Sun. With our list of planetary data in hand, let's task ChatGPT with another challenge, writing a Python script. We'll ask ChatGPT to generate a Python script that utilizes matplotlib, a powerful plotting library, to chart out the data we received in the previous response. This will allow us to visualize and analyze the characteristics of each planet in our solar system. Let's see how ChatGPT rises to the occasion. Before we proceed to run the script that ChatGPT has kindly provided, let's ensure we have matplotlib installed on our virtual machine. We'll open a shell terminal and type in the command sudo apt-get install python 3-matplotlib. This will fetch and install matplotlib, allowing us to use it for plotting our planetary data. Let's get that set up before diving into the script. Now that we have matplotlib installed, let's proceed by copying the Python code provided by ChatGPT and pasting it into a new file. We'll name this file planets.py. However, there's a small caveat to note: the Python code provided by ChatGPT is incomplete. It will only display the diameter, mass, eccentricity, and rotational periods of each planet. To enhance our visualization, we'll add 2 additional sections to the script, which will also plot the length of the day and distance from the Sun of each planet. If you're interested in delving deeper into data visualization with Python using matplotlib, I recommend visiting their official website at matplotlib.org for more resources and insights. Now that we've updated our script, it's time to run it. Simply type python3planets.py in the terminal and hit enter. You should see a series of 6 subplots generated, each providing valuable insights into various aspects of our solar system. Keep an eye out for these subplots, as they'll help us visualize and analyze the data we've collected. And there you have it, fellow cosmic explorers. In today's tutorial, we dove deep into the realms of Python programming and data visualization using matplotlib. We learned how to harness the power of ChatGPT to assist us in our programming endeavors and how to create insightful visualizations of our solar system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow space enthusiasts, and most importantly, subscribe to Space Science Tech for more exciting tutorials on the wonders of the cosmos. Until next time, keep exploring the infinite possibilities of science and technology.